a whooping cough flare-up at Elmbrook schools grows to 18 children.
The district tells 12 News most of the cases are in the 8th grade class at Pilgrim Park Middle School in Brookfield. Two other schools also have cases, but the district is not saying which ones. The superintendent says they are taking extra safety precautions and asked parents at home to be watching for symptoms. Symptoms usually worsen about a week after infection and include a loud cough, sneezing, and fever.